So today somebody is going to help us, right? You want me to draw you? Okay. So you have to move a little bit, then I can draw here. Can you move just a little bit? Let me move my paper. Okay. Are you going to hold my paper? Straight line. And this plus sign. Under this one. Not exactly here, just a little bit down. As much as big tummy we want, we are going to draw this tummy over here, little bit idea. And this one is going to be the hand this way, and then you can draw kind of like roundish shape here. So this bottom part is done. Now for the head we are going to do a little bit tilted, so I will draw another guideline over here, and I will erase this first. Duck duck, what are you doing? Okay, so here, and then from here, now this is my guideline, so I have to tilt according to that. So this one, it will go up, and this line will go a little bit down than this line, guideline. So we can do here and here. As much as you want big one, so you can go ahead and you can turn this one like this, so you can see this one and same amount. So this half has to be almost same. To go down, and from here to here we can do one big smile. From here we have to go here, and we have to turn this one for the eye, and from here, so once I'm done, so this looks big, this looks small little bit, so I will go back and I will try to fix both of them same size. Now over here, if you feel like this is little bit flat, you can go a little bit up and make it a little bit up one version. And then the way you want to draw the eye, you can big eye, small eye. This looks flat to me, so I'm going to pull this one a little bit down. So this has to be here. I will erase this one. This one. Now this line we have to draw these ones first. So I want one over here, one circle here, second circle here, maybe a little bit bigger, maybe third one here. So same thing, first one here, second circle here, third circle here, and then I will connect them with the two lines like that. Now how I'm going to connect, so this one will go here, and this will be kind of like a U shape now. You can draw 4 of them too. This way, and then erase inside line. Now for the back legs. So this line will go for the middle line here. And from here we can do this way to get idea. We will again adjust these things. So from here if I will go, this will go here, and these fingers will go here, so like that. But they have to be smaller than these ones, so I have to make sure I'm not going down all the way, so I will go a little bit this direction. So one, and then I will turn this one like circle, and then I will go in. Same thing I will do one more time here, line, circle, and I will go in. And then same thing again, I will do line, circle, and then I will go in here. And this one I will try to go a little bit in. So same thing, I will try to go here a little bit this gap, so little bit gap here, and down, circle, in, line, circle, in, line, circle, in. So this one will go and touch this line. So this one, this one, and this one here. Now I am going to adjust this one. So this line can go a little bit high now, and this one can go kind of like alphabet U this way. I really want this way actually, so I'm going to erase and I'm going to fix the whole thing. You can do this way or little bit up because head is tilting, so I really like this leg to go high this way. So it's the same line, but it will go up here and little bit more pointed here. Same thing, this one is up, so I will start here. I will go a little bit pointed here, and then I will come here. So any double lines and all these I will correct before I will go for the pen. So I'm done drawing. I will erase all my guidelines. If you don't want to draw this one here, you can do this way. That's another style. You can connect here and you can connect from here. That's also fine. So before I will use pen, I will just try to make sure my lines are not really dark. Okay, so let's start from here to here. And it's not working very well. Let me change. So you can start from here to all the way here. Same thing, I will start here and I will end here. I will start here and I will go here. Now this one we have to go, you can stop here. So you can start from here and you can stop. You can see this line is touching over here, so I can start from here, and if it's hard I can stop here. Same thing, I will start from here and I will go all the way here and I will stop here, and then same line I have to pull it here. From here to here, one line, and this one. So this one is going to be white and this one is going to be the black one, and again this one is going to be the white one. You can color with the pencil or you can color with the marker. So if you want two of them, you can do two of them. Same here, the another one, black one, and then I'm going to do the white one here. This one looks a little bit different than other one, so I did a little bit dark here, and then same thing I will do a little bit dark here too. So whatever mistake or whatever you do with the one eye, you have to do the same thing with the other eye. So the next part is we are going to draw the tummy. So here, all the way here. Then I'm going to draw this circle, U, circle, U, circle, U, and then I will go all the way back to the head. So I will start from here, circle, U, circle, U, circle, and then I will go all the way back to here. Now I'm going to start from here, circle, 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 or curve, not circle exactly, curve. So now I'm done. I will take my eraser and I will erase all the pencil lines, whatever extra lines still I can see.